San Diegans with ties to Ukraine are reacting to today's development. ABC 10 News reporter Austin Grabish continues our team coverage outside the House of Ukraine in Balboa Park. Austin?
Hi, Kimberly. People were out here all day at the House of Ukraine in Balboa Park to learn more about the country that has been invaded by Russia. And both experts and people with ties to Ukraine tell me today's news from the International Criminal Court is a very big development in this war. Tatiana Olafur was born and raised in Ukraine. The San Diego woman has distant family and friends in the country.
We are in constant communication almost every other day. I know when the Russians bomb them.
She's thrilled the International Criminal Court has issued an arrest warrant for Russian President Vladimir Putin.
It's a really very, very big deal what happened today.
It is forbidden by international law for occupied powers to transfer civilians from the territory they live in to other territories. Children enjoy special protection under the Geneva Convention.
The court alleges Putin is responsible for war crimes by deporting children to Russia. Ukraine's human rights chief has said over 16,000 children have been deported. Russia claims these kids don't have parents, but an investigation by the Associated Press found these kids were brought to Russia without their parents' consent. But will Putin actually be brought to justice? Experts tell me it's unlikely.
I think we're going to see Putin escaping accountability for many years, right? As long as he's head of state, he won't be brought to The Hague and there won't be a trial.
Olafur is horrified when she speaks to her friends on the ground in Ukraine.
These parents never see those children again. They basically, the children feel kidnapped.
She and her husband are trying to raise awareness about the war by holding rallies in Balboa Park.
As a liberal democracy, we need to stand up to this sort of aggression.
And there is now a rally planned here in Balboa Park tomorrow afternoon at 1:30 against the unlawful deportation of children from Ukraine to Russia. That rally is going to be taking place in the middle of the park across from the Art Museum, a little bit of a distance from where we are right now. Reporting live outside the House of Ukraine in Balboa Park, Austin Grabish, ABC 10 News.
So much pain for Ukrainians. Thank you, Austin, for that. And as Austin just mentioned, just because the International Criminal Court issued an arrest warrant, that doesn't mean you should expect to see Vladimir Putin in handcuffs. Russia does not belong to the ICC, so Putin would have to be handed over by Russia or arrested outside the country, and neither of those seem likely. The ICC would only try Putin if he was there to defend himself, so the odds of a trial are slim.